Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started.
In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to separate your text messages between people that you know and people that you don't know. This will also include automated text messages like delivery notifications, two-factor codes, or any type of spam messages or promotional messages that you've been getting. So to get started, you're going to click on Settings. You're going to scroll down to Messages, and then you're going to scroll down to Filter Unknown Senders, and you're going to check this. Next, how you use that is you're going to go into your messages, and you can see right now this is showing all messages. It's combined between known senders and unknown senders. I have this new option called filters in the top left corner that I'm going to click. So now I have three different options. I have all messages, known senders, and unknown senders. If I was to click known senders, it's going to show all the people that I have in my contacts list that have names to them. And then if I click on unknown senders, it's going to show all the automated text messages that I get. So something to keep in mind here is that if you receive two-factor codes or you're waiting for a delivery notification, to check your unknown senders folder because they will show up there. All right, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.